Hello everyone, Greg King here, and welcome to my video on how to make your video appear first on YouTube and Google in minutes using my proven 9-step system for free and in just minutes. Before we get into our video, I have a couple of questions, and the first is, are you tired of sales pitched promises that deliver you the world and you never really see any results? And you want to see real results but never get them? And want to be the front of your competition? And want to do it all at no cost and in minutes? Well, I can tell you right now, you've come to the right video. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you the 9 points of how you can make an effective video and be in the top of Google and YouTube within moments. And in a moment, I'll show you examples of how quick and how easy it is to do. So first, we're going to go through how to make your video appear first on YouTube and Google in minutes using my proven 9-step system. And it's for free in less than minutes. And you know what? No one likes to prove and boast about something that doesn't happen. So at the end, I definitely, once again, will show you a number of examples of how you can make this happen. Now, the first is, and it's a very obvious thing, but it's something that one needs to do, and that is to create a new YouTube channel for your business. Whether it be a trade or a service, you want to definitely separate it from your home and personal life. The next is you want to have video content that will keep people alive and watching till at least 50% of the video, because if you can get past the 50% mark, or maybe the 2 to 2.5 minute mark of a 3 to 5 minute video, you're going to have a tremendous liking and love from Google and YouTube. The next is use keywords. You got to pick the right title keywords, and it really does matter. And the idea I can share with you is, and once to stop things and look at this program, or this program, it works with any product, anything. So whether or not you're an electrician, a plumber, a realtor, or in the services, or in dentistry, it doesn't really matter. It will work for any product. So with the video name, I will suggest as an example, if you're a plumber and you would say the 5 or 7 most important things to do to winterize your home before the winter in Minnesota. And another video could be how to summarize and spring tune your plumbing and outdoor equipment for the springtime, and here's the 9 different suggestions. So little things like that you can do, and you can, once again, you do it for electricians saying, you know, going away for an extended period of time. Here's the 6 tips in using your lighting and your electrical to make sure that you're home. You get the gist. Next is unique thumbnail. Now, a thumbnail is kind of like the cover of a book. It has to be something that will catch the eye, and I will show you that in our examples in the next little bit here. Next is a description. So once again, picking the right title keywords matter, but also using that in the video is very important too, because YouTube gives a lot of love if you can repeat the name of your video and having some wording and having some verbal in your video. It'll make it go quicker and make it go a lot stronger than the first page. Next is create 8 to 10 3-minute videos on your focus market. And once again, if you were using the plumbers, you'd put 10 videos on fall, on winter, on spring, on summer, and make it very, very informative, engaging for people. Because the more videos you put up in your niche market, the more influence and power you'll have it, and the more you'll just take advantage of the first page of Google and of YouTube. The next, let the video run completely through. And I suggest doing it between 5-6 times max, because YouTube understands that if you keep on running it and running it and running it, they're going to go, hey, this is not cool, and they're not going to support your video. The next, add only 1 tag to your video initially, and that tag should be the title of the video, and just put it in the video box or in the box down on YouTube. in your YouTube studio. Now, once your video has settled in and it has become strong, then you can add as many tags as you want to actually facilitate your niche market. The next is, please ask the viewer to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. And the 10th idea, well, the 10th thought here is make sure you add at the end links and cards to make sure that they stay on your video and on your site, because the more times you can have it looked at, the more times that Google and YouTube will like that and make it stronger. Now, I've just gone over slightly some of the tricks of the trade in these videos, and I go further into depth in my ebook, and that's how to make my business show up on Google search. I'm going to include it as a bonus and free underneath the video. And it'll be a link that you can actually take a look at your convenience. Now, as promised, the actual examples of what I'm talking about. Now, the first is I put this on, and you can see at the top here, there are ads that you pay for. Now, these ads are organic. That means there's nothing to pay for. And this first one is I got on the first page, I have number 3 ranking, and that took just 7 minutes. And that was how to promote your business on social media. The next example, number 2, is organically posted again, first page again, ranked number 3, and that happened in just 4 minutes on how to advertise your business on YouTube. Now, the next one here is organically posted, first page, ranked number 4 in just 1 minute. 1 minute. Plus, I got, because I'm becoming more of an authority in this niche, Google and YouTube actually pushed my other video up to number 3. So I've got 50% on the first page of my niche. The next one is example 4, organically posted, first page on YouTube ranking. Also, and that happened in a matter of, where is it here? Well, that happened in 4 minutes. Then I also got on Google, and that happened in 4 minutes as well. So first page, number 1 ranking, Google and YouTube. No cost, no money. All it takes is 10 minutes of video. And if you can make 8 to 10, that gives you results. If you can make more, you will have a stranglehold on the first and second page. And let's face it, anyone that's looking and Googling, because Google and YouTube are the number 1, 2 platforms for searches when people are looking for a service or a product. If they see your service, being a realtor, or once again, a plumber or electrician, or legal services, if they see you with a stranglehold on the first page, they're going to hit you first. Now, the next example is going to be organically posted, first page of YouTube ranking, first page of Google ranking. So you can see me right here, first page, and also here in 1 minute on Google. And also on Google, YouTube. And also I'm on the carousel, which means that rotates, and I'm number 1 on there as well, and that took 2 minutes. Now, the reason this occurs in 1 day is because I had 2 YouTube pictures here. I didn't have a Google picture and a YouTube picture, so I re-edited the next day, and that way I could show you that it's hitting on all cylinders, and it just takes a couple of minutes. Now, the great thing, your advertising costs go to nil. And this stuff stays up on YouTube with a little bit of TLC. You can make these items stay up on YouTube for 1 or 2 years. And the more videos that you put up, the more it'll stay up there. So if you can put like your initial 8 to 10 videos, then after that, put a video about every second or third day, it works magically. Now, a word of caution here is Google understands it's not like you're recreating the wheel. They know all the tricks of the trade. So you want to only put 1 video a day up, because YouTube loves consistency. They don't like to be ambushed. But once again, this will show up when I'm going to have the bonus media book down below, or sorry, my bonus media marketing ebook of how to make business show up on Google. If you've liked my video and found it informative, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and make a comment below. And that way you can be in touch with any other new videos I make in the future. Have a great day.